Say friends, last weekend at the Lollapalooza, I got to do a couple of little tours of people's trailers. So I wanted to share Lynn and Vic's trailers with you here. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to see if Miss Tina's home. There she is.
Surprise.
Hi, Tina.
How are you?
Great. So I was wondering if you would give us a tour of your little...
Yes, I will. This is a Nomad by a company called WeeRoll
Uh-huh.
out of Ocala, Florida.
Okay.
Tom Caffalo designs them, and I highly recommend them.
Really?
It's built all out of metal. There's no wood in it except for the paneling, and it should last a lifetime and then some.
How long have you had it?
I've had it since February, and it has the drop-down door in the back,
Uh-huh.
so that when the weather's nice, I can put it down and have a little patio
Oh, how cool.
out there. Yeah, you're welcome to.
The WeeRoll company.
Yes.
How cute. Very cool.
Thank you. Her name is Simply Gypsy.
Simply Gypsy?
Yeah, she's got kind of a gypsy theme inside.
That's awesome.
But
I
I
love
went out
it.
to eat the other night. My dog was on my.
Oh, no.
But go ahead and go on in and look around.
I
Feel
don't
free.
wanna get mud all over your rig.
Don't worry about it.
Look how cute. Little air conditioner.
Yeah.
Smells beautiful in here.
Go ahead and go on in.
How cute. Oh my goodness. There's a little
bathroom area over
sink.
here in the corner.
Were you in the dental hygienist field? Oh.
No. That's just a little foot pump bathroom sink.
Oh, I love it.
And so I turned it into like a little bathroom corner.
This is so organized and so cute.
That was a big thing with me. I wanted plenty of storage. So there's storage all up under my bed.
Uh-huh.
And it's all made out of this Bella, which have the latches that lock.
Uh-huh.
So nothing goes anywhere. But I've got bins up under the bed. And
So did it come with all this kind of electricity already?
it came with a household outlet up under here and also one back there. And then I just put the strips up so that I have
Oh, okay.
more electrical.
Is that a heater?
It is.
Oh, that's awesome. That's real. I was like, I can
I
feel a
got
little
it as
heat.
seen on TV or something.
Okay, and then this is your...
That's a gas heater.
Oh, cool.
I have it set up to where I can run on solar.
Uh-huh.
I have a solar generator under here, a 500-watt solar generator.
Uh-huh.
And it runs my fridge when I'm traveling. But it can run on solar, electric, or I've also got a 2,000-watt gas generator that I can use. And all my lighting is battery. I didn't hardwire any lights in.
How
So-
perfect.
And I've also got
impressed.
solar lighting also.
So did you do the decorating and
I
stuff?
did.
Everything,
When-
the backsplash? And...
Yes. When you get it, it's just like an empty box. What he does is he builds the trailers,
Uh-huh.
and he insulates the walls and the ceiling,
Okay.
and he puts the walls up and the windows.
Uh-huh.
So you end up with a box to do whatever you want to do.
I love it.
And I loved that idea because you get to fix it around your life.
Uh-huh.
You know, I have 3 dogs, so I had to kind of weigh their needs and wants and make sure there was enough room. I know it seems tiny, but really it works. It
Well,
works for me and 3 dogs,
It's
don't
about
ask me how.
probably 3 times the size of my van. So to me, this is awesome. And there's room under your couch, bed. Oh,
Yes.
that's so cute.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you. I'm happy with it.
And tell me one more time the company and where they are that made these.
Okay, it's WeeRoll. Tom Caffalo is the owner.
Okay.
And you can look on his Facebook page, WeeRoll.com. And you can also call him personally. I mean,
Cool.
He keeps his number out there in public, so
Okay.
yeah,
I'll
good guy
try
to
to-
work with.
I'll try to find a link to his channel and put it below, or his
Great.
not his channel,
Thank
but
you.
his site. Yeah.
I'm sure he'll appreciate that.
Well, Tina, thank you for letting me look around your
You're very
house.
welcome.
This is
Thank
awesome.
you. I'm always happy to show her off.
Okay, you got to go check it out now, Free.
know.
All right.
Come on.
Now we're going to go tour Vic's little trailer. The covered wagon. How cool. He likes red. We know that about him. How cute. Wow, this one is spacious. Oh, because of the Murphy bed. Well, how cool. And so he pulls his Harley up in here, he said. Got his TV. Murphy bed. Oh, he's ready for trick-or-treaters. How cute. This is very tidy.
It's west of the city, about 15 miles along West Allen.
You want to show me how that bed works?
Sure.
Cool.
It's very simple.
That's awesome.
Here, men laboring to carve a road out of a roadside in the 1930s. Uncovered sections.
So did you do all the woodwork in here and stuff?
Everything.
Really? So you bought this just a trailer and then you...
Did everything.
Weatherized
This normally goes down, so it's out of the way.
Uh-huh.
And this comes down.
How cool.
And this goes down like this.
That's adorable.
And I have the bungees, and right now I've got an electric blanket hooked up if I need to, because it's cold mornings.
Not spoiled at all. Love it. So that's your design and you just... Very good. Very ingenious. I love it.
Everything's my design.
Yeah. Little
It's just
table.
amazing at what you can get off of YouTube.
Oh, that's true.
It folds up, and it locks
great.
in, and it holds a
A lot of pressure there.
lot of pressure.
Nice.
It folds up out of the way. The
TV on the
TV I can watch while I'm laying in bed.
Nice.
Or if I'm cooking, I can turn it around and watch too.
Watch your cooking channel. Awesome. And that's a little DVD player above it, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
How neat. Neat, neat, neat.
And we have full plumbing.
Very well done.
Keep dinosaurs away from Denver has not yet arrived. And the terrain is probably a landscape rich with fern. In a world
Neat.
where grasses have
People like my stainless steel salad bowl
Yeah,
sink.
that's brilliant.
Apatosaurus, also known as
And we have tons and tons of storage.
Real deep.
It very all the way
Oh,
up.
yeah. Very awesome.
One drawer to hold all the cooking utensils.
And so then your fridge is just a regular little...
Full fridge with a freezer.
Nice. Just runs off electric? Yeah.
Everything's electric.
So do you have solar?
None.
Okay. So how do you run that when you're traveling?
I don't.
Okay.
I just make sure it's fully like been running for 3 or 4 hours and everything stays cool in it.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to be on the road that long anyway.
Gotcha.
So everything will be fine. As long as you keep the door closed, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
a dinosaur.
And it's not going to pop open because it takes some force to pull it open.
Yeah.
Apatosaurus was discovered
Very good.
back in 1870.
Little air conditioner. It's all you need.
I like it.
I like it too.
2 years later,
I like it too.
And this is my LED lights are up there. And then I have my kitchen light
discovered that the two sets of bones
underneath there.
Nice. And all that just runs off electric.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Nice. Very cool.